Are you looking for a quality locksmith service in Victoria? Locksmith Locals Victoria are your #1 providers for all things related to locksmith services. We have over 40 years combined experience in the locksmith industry. We can help you no matter what specific service you're after, whether or not it's any of the following. We've seen it all and we'll have no problems helping you quickly and efficiently. Not only that, but our local-based locksmiths have a great reputation for their quick, friendly and effective locksmith services. So get in touch with us now and get back on schedule. Visit the website shown here or call the number on the screen. There's also a link below this video. We look forward to helping you. Have a great day.